Our next speaker is Mr. Vikas Gupta, Joint Managing Director, Earth Infrastructures Limited. Mr. Vikas Gupta is the Joint Managing Director, as I said, of Earth Infrastructures Limited. In his role, Mr. Gupta has fulfilled the expectations of the customers by giving them value for money and has also managed to build a unique corporate identity for the organization. His zeal and enthusiasm has earned him the image of a youth icon and team player. An entrepreneur and planner, he has created multiple choices for customers in the reality sector and institutional segment, reaching the pinnacle of success by sheer hard work, vision, and spirit. Earth Infrastructures has very ambitious plans for Gurgaon, and I'll be happy to hear from Mr. Gupta what these plans exactly are. Over to you, Mr. Gupta.
Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I think I would like to thank Ms. Puri for giving us opportunity on this very important forum, which is Gurgaon First. I think we have seen all the global cities, New York, London, they have their own citizen charters, they have their citizen societies. People are coming together to make the city global and make the city green and clean. So this is the kind of initiative I think very few Indian cities have taken. And I'm very happy to see Gurgaon has taken this initiative, and putting the Gurgaon is already on a global map. It's another initiative to put on a global map. In last 2 decades, I think Gurgaon has seen a very, very tremendous growth, and I think we have all seen a double-digit growth in GDP of Gurgaon. The city has come up because of its proximity to international airport, because of its proximity to the country's capital, has come up so well that now all the multinationals are eyeing of opening of their offices and looking to expand their base into the country from Gurgaon itself. You can say most of the people have started expecting Gurgaon is the Singapore of India. It's not very bad to say that. Gurgaon is in the making of Singapore of India. As I have heard in the morning that already 40,000 acres of development is in the process, which is among the very, very huge development. 40,000 acres of planned development is happening in Gurgaon, which will definitely need a lot of infrastructure requirements, a lot of requirement from the government side to make it a world-class planning. As we all already know that about 29% of the housing requirement of Delhi NCR is being fulfilled by Gurgaon only. So all the people who works in Delhi and NCR look for their residential requirement to Gurgaon positively. So it is very important for the civic bodies and the administration for Gurgaon to take up to the expectation to the people who are living in this city and make it really world-class. There are few new initiatives which have taken by the Gurgaon administration, which are really very, very remarkable, I would say rather, like Northern Peripheral Road, which has come up, which is a good example. Southern Peripheral Road, which is already a very good example. Now, making a KMP will also solve a lot of problems. And going forward, we are looking towards DMIC, which is, I think, will be a very good boost to industrial segment to this total Delhi to Mumbai segment. Apart from this, a lot of good things we have seen about Gurgaon, but since morning we have been discussing about the issues relating to infrastructure problems, relating to water problems. I think this forum is a right forum that we should all come up together and raise our voices to the administration and the government of Haryana. And I think with the collective efforts, the things can be done in a smarter and a very planned fashion. And I think there are a lot of dignitaries and there are a lot of stakeholders are sitting here to achieve this task, which is not impossible, which is very much possible. I think we as a reputed builder of Gurgaon, as a as a responsible citizen of Gurgaon, we like to commit here. We are available for any kind of support, any kind of requirement from the Gurgaon First team and the administration, which can be contribute toward the happiness of the city and for the betterment of the city in terms of any infrastructure support. We are here. We have been delivering, we have been doing 2 projects in Gurgaon. One is in Sector 112, which is our residential group housing project, which is about 540 odd flats which are doing. The construction is already reached about second floor. And we are doing one commercial shopping plaza in the next to Sona Road, which is the upcoming commercial district of the city. So we are launching few more projects for the Gurgaon citizens to take a part in that. So with a short note, I will take a leave from the honorable people sitting here, and I think it is a very good platform. I think Lieutenant Colonel Brigadier Saab is here, everybody is here, so we can make it a very good beginning with this initiative, and we are all here to support this very innovative cause. Thank you very much.